Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments down below how your day is going. Mine is doing fantastic because if you read from my title, I am unboxing the May 2019 Allure Beauty Box. I got this super early, but if you're like, Anne, you're not wearing anything on your face, it's because I don't know what's in here and I want to try the products on and see what it's like. But I also want to talk, since it's May, I have been doing most of my unboxings I did so far have been skincare boxes. I've really been into skincare, and May is Melanoma Skin Cancer Awareness Month. And if you don't know, I was diagnosed in 2015, stage 2, beginning stages of 2 melanoma skin cancer on my back. And then in 2016, I was diagnosed with basal cancer on my leg and a few other little sightings that was on my skin. And that's because I never wore sunscreen, sunblock, none of that. I used baby oil, and I would go to the tanning bed and directly to the beach. And because of that, when I was in my late 30s, my husband noticed a little mark on my back, and thank God I went and got it checked, because they told me if I would have waited another 3 to 6 more months, we wouldn't have been so lucky. So the only thing I had to do was get surgery, and then every 3 to 6 months I get a skin screening, and then I have to get a blood test where they test my blood, my white blood cells, my red blood cells, and I get a chest x-ray to make sure nothing spread to my lungs or anything like that. So I'm just saying, it is getting nicer out. I do live in New Jersey, so it's not summer weather yet, but it is starting to become really nice out. So just be careful. Make sure that you wear sunblock. Skincare is a must, even if you're 17 or 18 and you start off something small. But please take care of your skin, because it could have been a lot worse for me if it wasn't noticed, because I don't look at my back, you know. But that's all. I just wanted to let you guys know it is Melanoma Skin Cancer Awareness Month. So just be cautious. If you see anything on your skin that doesn't look right, please get it checked. It's better for them to say, oh, that's nothing, than you waiting a little bit too late. All right, so that is it. So let's get into the Allure. So I did get this through Amazon. This is the first month. Well, no, I'm lying. Last month I ordered it like late in the month, and then I realized that also one of my friends told me that I ordered it like on the 28th, and then so that's when they will bill you and send it to you every month. So I canceled it and I ordered this puppy April 1st. And I got it today. Today is May 7th. So it came super fast. So I am quite excited. So let's see what is in this puppy. This is $15 a month, and you do pay taxes. All right. So this is what it looks like when you open her up, just like that. And it comes with a little brochure here that tells you what everything is. And it gives you prices, and then it also tells you where you can buy these products at. All right, the first thing is right here. This is by Laritzi. This says a lip gloss. So this is in the shade Vibe. Can you see that? All right, let's see how much this is. Pretty big. All right, so this would be $20. All right, let's see what color Vibe is. All right, so it's like a nudie color. I'll do a swatch and then I'll put it on and see what it looks like. So it's like a little regular applicator. And it's a very light lip gloss. Like I would definitely have a lipstick on and then put this on top. But let's just see what it looks like. Let's see. It's a little sticky, but not too bad. It's okay. It's a little sticky, but it's bearable. But like I said, I would never, I mean, look how light this is. I would never wear this on its own. All right, so it does come in a bag. This is an orange bag this month. That's really, really pretty. And then we have something in the box, which I'll explain that because I see something that I think goes with it. All right, so let's open her up. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of these? Do you like it red in the box, or do you like that they put it in the bag? This month here, it's not like the snaps. You could just pull this off. All right, so let's see. The first thing is by Model Company. This is Eyelights. This is a metallic eyeshadow. Right there. What shade is this? Does it say the shade? St. Bart's is the shade. Okay. So this would be $12, and I'm surmising this is full size. I think it is. Let's see. I don't know if that's full size or not. That looks awful small, but maybe. All right, let's do a little swatchy swatch. It's a very light shade right there. You guys can see. All right, let's put this puppy on my eye and see. I don't know if I like this. This is like, it's not that opaque. I don't even know if you guys, can you guys see the difference? It's very, very light. Let's see. Doing this side. This, you're definitely going to have to build it up. I think this would look great if you already had like a matte eyeshadow or even like a shimmer eyeshadow, and then you put this on top. Because for me personally, it's just a little bit too light. I don't know. All right, moving on. The next thing we have is by Allure Pacific, right there. Let's see if you guys can see. This is a Radiance Cream Mask. Let's read up about this. All right, so, I can't believe this. Full size for this is $150. What? No, okay. No, wait a minute. So there must be a few things you can get. Am I looking at this right? Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. $200 would be a regular price. Or you could have got the treatment cleansing foam, which would be $50, or the moisture bound cream, which would be $150. Or it says the vintage single extract essence, which would be $145. And I got the mask. So this would be $200 full size. Let's see. Holy crap. Look how small that is. Let's see. See if it's filled up, at least a sample. Well, it is filled up, but you get like, this is just like one use. Let me read up on this. This better like take all my wrinkles away. All right, so this is a hydrating mask that doesn't smell like anything. I can wear overnight, focused on Z's, and have brighter skin in the morning. I can't get over that. $200. All right, moving on. Then we have this right here. This is like a powder. What is this? Louis by Jean Sao. I don't know if I'm saying that right. All right, so this is $15, so I'm surmising this is full size. And it says, combine this loose powder exfoliant made with milk powder and oats with water. Apply, wait a minute, massage it away, and it unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. The things I always say, I wonder who writes this type of stuff, but that's what it looks like. So, I mean, this is the thing. Look at this. It's not even filled up to the top. It's like halfway filled. But, okay. What else we got in here? All right, so I definitely know what this is. This is the Saint Tropez right here. This is like a tanning gel here. So let's see. This is a Saint Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Is that what I got? Let's see. Because you could either got that or the Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. What do I have? I have the Self-Tanner right here. And full size will be $44. And it also comes with a little mitt that I think it's nice that you can use this. This is a tan applicator mitt. So they go together, which I think that's great. All right. And I definitely know because full size, I have a full size one and it's a lot bigger than that. All right. What else do we got? One more thing. We have the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream right there. And so full size will be $35, and the full size comes in like that little blue thing that we get sometimes. And this is really nice. I'm gonna put this on actually because I had literally just washed my face before I filmed. Oh, look at that. And this is definitely not filled to the top. It's like right up to there. I can see it in the light. So let's put some on. I love this stuff so much. So it's just like a white cream. It smells so good. I like it a lot. I do like it. All right, so let's recap with what we got. So for $15, let's see if this is worth it. So we have a tiny size of Laneige, I think I'm saying it right, which I really do like this. I also like the lip cream that they have. We have the tan, I got the tanning bronzing thing with the mitt, or you could have got the face mist. I got by Models Company the eyeshadow, which I don't know if I like this. I got the Larizzi lip gloss, and it's not sticky anymore. I do like it. And what else did we get? We got this that would be $200. There's 4 of them you could have got. And I got the mask. This is from Aroma Pacific right there. And then we got this. You just add, I guess, water to it, you know, put it on and then take it off. So that's everything. So we basically got, see, here's the thing. I don't like getting these. I don't use these, and I think not everybody uses. Depending if you're already tan to deeper skin, you're not going to use this. So I always wonder why they put stuff like this in subscription boxes, because not everybody's pale and needs this. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's the only thing I'm like, why do they do that? But everything else I do like. I'm the type, I love skincare. Some people like more makeup, but it's a mixture of both. I love Allure. It's probably in my top 3 subscriptions. I really like it. And my box, I don't know when I still get it through Allure. So I just wanted to see, do you get the same things? A lot of you guys told me that you get different things in Amazon, and I wanted to see how fast they ship it. So we shall see when I get my box and see, compare it to what Allure gives you to what the Amazon Allure gives you. But that's everything, guys. Now I'm just babbling. I'm going to get off of here. I love you guys. And that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Make sure you let me know down in the comments how your day is going. Please, please, please get checked if you see anything on your skin that doesn't look right. And wear sunscreen. I cannot say how important that is. And that's everything, guys. As always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.